Today we're making pumpkin soup, another in my winter soup series. In a large pot over medium heat, 30 milliliters of olive oil. Add 2 carrots thinly sliced, 1 fine chopped onion, 1 clove minced garlic, and 10 milliliters of finely chopped peeled ginger. Cover and cook, stirring occasionally until vegetables are tender, about 5 minutes. Add a large sweet potato and a butternut or kabocha squash, both peeled and cut into 2 centimeter cubes. Cover and cook, stirring occasionally until squash is barely fork tender, another 5 minutes. After this is done, add 30 milliliters of tomato paste, 2 milliliters of smoked paprika, and cook, stirring until tomato paste is brick red, about 2 minutes. Add 250 milliliters of pumpkin puree and 1.5 liters of vegetable broth. Now mix that till combined. Partially cover pot and bring to a boil over high heat. After it's done boiling, reduce heat to medium-low and simmer, stirring occasionally until squash is very tender, about 15 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat. Using an immersion blender, blend until smooth. Season with kosher salt and freshly ground pepper. Top with a spoonful of sour cream. And enjoy. Let's try it. That is so good. That is amazing. And remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.